By only promoting Wealthy Affiliate, I've been able to generate 17,321. And keep in mind, this is only by promoting Wealthy Affiliate, because when you have a website, you can promote so many other affiliate programs and make a commission from those affiliate programs. This is only for Wealthy Affiliate for the past years that I've promoted Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate is by far the biggest affiliate marketing platform in the entire world, and it is boasting over 2 million members and counting. In today's video, we are going to review Wealthy Affiliate. We are going to talk about Wealthy Affiliate features, Wealthy Affiliate pricing, and the incentives that you get within Wealthy Affiliate. At the end of this video, I will also show you how you can get a discount of Wealthy Affiliate if you decide to join Wealthy Affiliate today. So make sure you stick around there till the end of this video so that you can get your discount to join Wealthy Affiliate. And if you want to learn the secrets to more affiliate commissions and create your dream lifestyle using the power of the internet, join us now by subscribing. Let's now go back to the video. Right now, I'm in the Wealthy Affiliate homepage. This is the page that you are going to see the first time you drop into the Wealthy Affiliate website. It claims to be a platform designed for all affiliate marketers of all levels. You can transform your ideas into profits and start a business from 1 million plus lucrative niches. You can build beautiful, profit-ready websites, no design skills needed, and you will learn proven strategies to attract loads of traffic, access to over 4 billion potential customers worldwide. Wealthy Affiliate has been in business for 15 years. It has members from over 193 countries, over 2 million members at the time of recording this video. This is not updated. Over 10,000 monthly business build, over 1,800 coaches, over 23,000 people helped daily. Right now, I'm in the Wealthy Affiliate members area. This is my dashboard and these are my affiliate stats. By only promoting Wealthy Affiliate, I've been able to generate 17,321. And keep in mind, this is only by promoting Wealthy Affiliate, because when you have a website, you can promote so many other affiliate programs and make a commission from those affiliate programs. This is only for Wealthy Affiliate for the past years that I've promoted Wealthy Affiliate. Next, let's go to the training. The training is divided into two main categories, that is the Online Entrepreneur Certification and the Affiliate Bootcamp. With the online certification, you can choose any niche that you want to promote and you want to build your business on, while with the Affiliate Bootcamp, you will be in the affiliate marketing space and your main objective will be promoting the Wealthy Affiliate program. The certification course has 5 courses, that is getting started, build your own traffic producing website, make money, mastering social engagement, achieving maximum success through content creation. And here is a quick preview of the certification program. Here is what is included in lesson 1. You'll get all the other lessons if you decide to join with the affiliate. We have getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own niche, setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines, creating your initial website content, creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords. Congratulations and your next step. Next, we have the Affiliate Bootcamp. With the Affiliate Bootcamp, you will be promoting Wealthy Affiliate. And here's what you learn in the Affiliate Bootcamp course: getting your business rolling, content, keywords and conversions, giving your site social value, get visual, get aesthetic, and get a brand through media, knowing your audience and catapulting your referrals, being Yahoo and the power of PPC, how to scale successful PPC campaigns. And here is a quick preview of the lesson 1 training of the Wealthy Affiliate Bootcamp. We have getting started, choosing your own direction, building your website, a website look around, activating your plugins, getting your website SEO ready, your initial framework of content, understanding the keyword research process, creating a thoughtful and insightful reviews, and the exciting journey has just begun. Wealthy Affiliate has also classrooms. Within the classrooms, you can learn everything about digital marketing and how to profit online. Let's see what you can learn within the classrooms. You can learn about email marketing, you can learn about WordPress, you can learn about authoring and writing content, you can learn about the Wealthy Affiliate program and how you'll be compensated if you decide to promote Wealthy Affiliate. You're going to learn about website development and programming. You're going to learn about the Wealthy Affiliate platform, You're going to learn about social engagement and marketing. You're going to learn about pay-per-click marketing. You're going to learn about search engine optimization. You're going to learn about keyword research, niche and market research. You're also going to learn about local marketing. And lastly, you also learn video marketing. Our next section is all about websites. We have Site Manager, access your website and the site health of your website. This way you can log into your website automatically from within the Wealthy Affiliate community. Next, we have the Site Builder. With the Site Builder, you can build your website with just a few clicks. Site domains, find, register and manage your domains from within Wealthy Affiliate. You don't have to register from any domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. You can just buy them from within the Wealthy Affiliate community. Site comments, get comments on your pages and posts from within the community. Site feedback, get feedback on your website and know how you can improve your website and improve your conversions and sales. You'll get all the technical support to your website within the community. If anything goes wrong with your website, you can contact the support team and they will respond swiftly. With the Wealthy Affiliate Premium membership, this is what you are going to get if you decide to host your website within the Wealthy Affiliate. You can host up to 25 domains. You can build up to 25 free websites. You have instant DNS setup. You have hosting speed, super high, website space 30 GB, bandwidth included 500,000 visitors a month, data transfer unlimited, site builder included, yes, staging environment, yes, expertise security available, daily backups, 24/7 access to server admins, email accounts unlimited, botnet security, site health, site comment, website feedback, community access, and one-on-one marketing mentorship. So when you pay the Wealthy Affiliate Premium membership, this is what you're going to get with your website. Next, we have live events. These are events done every Friday by Maggie Studios. The best thing about these live events is you can always view the replay of the live webinars. Here you can see the previous webinars in case you missed them. Then you can go and watch and learn anything from them. Also, you can also register for the next available webinar so that you don't miss the next webinar. Next, we have the Wealthy Affiliate Keyword Research. Jaxi is the official keyword research tool within the Wealthy Affiliate community. This is like any other paid version of your favorite keyword tools or a free keyword tool like Kubersuggest. So within Wealthy Affiliate, they also have their own keyword research tool. Check the site rank, you can check your keyword list, you can have a search analysis, you can also use the alphabet soup technique, you can also brainstorm. Then you also have the affiliate programs where you can search and find the relevant affiliate programs in your niche. Lastly, we have niche keyword list exclusive to Wealthy Affiliate Premium members. The next tool, we have affiliate program search. If you don't know the type of programs that you're going to promote, your competition will promote the product and take all your commissions. So with the affiliate program search, you can search the best affiliate programs and start promoting them right away. You can search the programs by popular categories. For example, health and fitness, clothing and accessories, women, clothing, or any other. Personally, I've picked the Wealthy Affiliate because it is a training opportunity. You can also pick any of these training opportunities and create content around it in order to promote an affiliate program. You can view the affiliate programs by high commission, high percentage, lastly, the top rated. The best thing about this keyword tool is that you can see the affiliate platform that the affiliate program is running on. Therefore, you can just join the affiliate platform and start promoting the product right away, like these high ticket commissions, the Evolution. Another good thing that I like about Wealthy Affiliate is that you can get support directly from the live chat. You can also get support from the Wealthy Affiliate founders, as I'll pop them on the screen. Around here, I'll pop them here. Wealthy Affiliate Review, the price. What is the price of joining Wealthy Affiliate? Price number 1, we have the free, also referred us to the Wealthy Affiliate Starter Membership. With the Wealthy Affiliate Starter Membership, you join Wealthy Affiliate completely free, no credit card required, so that you can try their system and see if they offer. And this is what you'll get: 2 fully functional and self-hosted website. Keep in mind that this is on a subdomain, that is, it will be your website.sitetrubix.com. It will not be on your own domain. Next, you have access to the affiliate program, but you will earn less commissions as compared to the premium members. You have access to the live chat, only limited for 7 days. Private messaging including the owners, limited to 7 days. Certification courses, level 1 only. Affiliate bootcamp courses, phase 1 only. Access to some of the community training. The next price, we have the first month special offer. That is, if you decide to join with the affiliate today and decide to join premium right away, you are going to get a special discount and pay only 19 your first month and access all the features. After the first month is over, you will be paying 49 recurring each and every month. That is, you're only getting the first month discount. Here is what you get. All that you get for free: hosting up to 25 domains. You can build over 50 websites and hosts. Unlimited private messaging to anyone including the owners. Private coaching. Advanced certification courses. Access to webinars and replays. Advanced bootcamp training. Free keyword research for content creation, that is Jaxi. And you also get 2 times higher commissions as compared to the free starter membership. Next, we have the Wealthy Affiliate Yearly Membership. With the yearly membership, you are not only going to save big, you're also going to get some cool bonuses that only come with the yearly membership. Here are some cool bonuses only available for yearly members who join through my affiliate link. You have a free.com domain, $50 in community credits. You can use these credits towards site comments, site feedback platform at Wealthy Affiliate, so that you can get engagement on your website and website audits. With this yearly deal, you're going to get $93 discount on paying month to month. Essentially, you're buying 10 months, then you get 2 months for free. That's a complete steal. And the last price, we have the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday deal. I'm not sure if $299 will be the price this year. This offer normally happens on November during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So you can lock yourself in and wait for the deal when it arrives. That is it about the price. Let's now jump to the next section. Next, let's see how you can make money if you decide to join Wealthy Affiliate. If you decide to join Wealthy Affiliate today and decide that you are comfortable promoting Wealthy Affiliate, this is what you are going to earn when you promote the Wealthy Affiliate program. You are going to earn $23.50 US monthly income and $235 yearly recurring income. If you want a more thorough review of the Wealthy Affiliate platform, I'll leave a link to my website where you can check the whole Wealthy Affiliate review, where I talk about the pros, the cons, and everything that you need to know about Wealthy Affiliate. I will also share with you what I have accomplished by simply promoting Wealthy Affiliates and other programs along the way. Check the link in the description and see my thorough Wealthy Affiliate review and see if it is the right program for you or not. As a thank you for watching the entire video, I have a special offer for you. If you decide to join Wealthy Affiliate today, you are going to get 59% discount. That is, if you decide to join Wealthy Affiliate right now, you are going to pay only $19 to try Wealthy Affiliate your first month. Make sure you drop a like on this video and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, before you go, make sure you check the video that is appearing on your screen right now. Go to the video and I'll see you on that video.